the way we define success is fundamentally broken in human society. We are spending way too much time on putting money on a pedestal and way little amount of time and energy into putting happiness on a pedestal. The amount of millionaires, people that make millions, 10 millions, hundreds of millions of dollars a year that I know that are disproportionately unhappy is staggering. And I really, really, really am passionate about getting a conversation into the ecosystem of like, what are you, like, why are you here? What are you trying to accomplish? And do you have enough self-awareness and understanding about yourself to know what you're trying to achieve? Because I promise you, over this last decade, interacting with people at scale, what's very obvious to me is that an enormous amount of people are trying to get success to put makeup around their actual insecurities, and they're spending all their time trying to make money to hide what's actually happening. They're trying to prove something to somebody else, not to themselves. And no level of you finding a path to making money is going to solve that issue. The only reason you should be at this conference at all is for you to find a path to being content and happy, not to make an arbitrary amount of money. I want to make $1 million. I want to make 10 million. I want to make arbitrary. You're just picking a fucking number out of your ass. What you need to be doing is deploying the greatest game of self-awareness anybody has ever done.
Assets versus liabilities, grasshopper. Never forget that the tortoise won the race against the hare. Silly rabbit.